What if I told you that the Great Pyramid of Giza was built with such precision that even modern technology cannot replicate it? Scientists, engineers, and historians have been trying to solve this mystery for over 200 years, and they still don't have a complete answer. Today, we uncover 5 shocking secrets of the Egyptian pyramids that nobody talks about. Welcome to Ancient Facts Vault, where we uncover history's biggest secrets. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, because what you're about to hear will completely change how you see ancient history. Fact 1. The pyramids were originally white and shining. Here's something most people don't know. The Great Pyramid of Giza did not look brown when it was built. It was covered in 144,000 casing stones of highly polished white limestone. These stones were so smooth and reflective that the pyramid literally shone like a giant mirror in the desert. Ancient Egyptians called it Iket, which means glorious light. It could be seen from the mountains of Israel, hundreds of miles away. So what happened to all that white limestone? Most of it was stripped away in 1303 AD after a massive earthquake loosened the stones, and local builders used them to construct mosques and palaces in Cairo. Imagine seeing a bright white shining pyramid in the middle of the desert. That was the real Great Pyramid. Fact 2. 230 to 420. The pyramid is perfectly aligned with true north. This one will seriously make you question everything. The Great Pyramid of Giza is aligned to true north with only 3/60ths of a degree of error. That is more accurate than the Greenwich Observatory in London, which is one of the most precise buildings built in modern times. But here's the shocking part. The ancient Egyptians had no compass. They had no satellites. They had no modern surveying equipment. Yet somehow, 4,500 years ago, they managed to align a 2.3 million stone structure to true north with nearly perfect accuracy. How? Scientists still debate this today. Some believe they used the stars. Others believe they tracked the shadows of the sun. But nobody knows for certain. Fact 3. The temperature inside is always 68 degrees Fahrenheit. No matter how hot it gets outside in the Egyptian desert, temperatures can reach 120 degrees Fahrenheit in summer. The inside of the Great Pyramid always stays at exactly 68 degrees Fahrenheit. That is 20 degrees Celsius, the average temperature of the Earth. This is not a coincidence. Modern engineers believe the ancient Egyptians deliberately designed the pyramid's internal chambers and air shafts to maintain this exact temperature. But think about this. Modern buildings use complex air conditioning systems to maintain stable temperatures. The Egyptians did it 4,500 years ago with just stone, geometry, and genius. Fact 4. The Great Pyramid has 8 sides, not 4. Every picture you've ever seen of the pyramids shows 4 sides. Every diagram, every textbook. But here's the secret they don't teach you. The Great Pyramid of Giza actually has 8 sides. Each of the 4 faces is slightly concave, meaning they curve inward very slightly. This is so subtle that you cannot see it from ground level. You can only see it from the air, and only during the spring and autumn equinox, when the sun hits the pyramid at just the right angle. For just a few minutes, twice a year, the shadow reveals the true 8-sided shape. Why did the Egyptians do this? Nobody knows for certain. Some believe it helped the structure withstand earthquakes. Others believe it had astronomical significance. The answer remains one of history's greatest mysteries. Fact 5. 8 o'clock to 9:30. The pyramid contains a secret. 9:30. The pyramid contains a secret chamber. In 2017, scientists using a technology called cosmic ray muon radiography, basically like an X-ray for buildings, discovered a massive hidden void inside the Great Pyramid. This secret chamber is at least 30 meters long, as big as a passenger aircraft. It sits above the Grand Gallery, one of the main corridors inside the pyramid. And here is the most shocking part. In 4,500 years of exploration, nobody had ever found it before. What is inside this chamber? We don't know. Nobody knows. It has never been opened. It has never been explored. Could it contain the treasures of the pharaohs? Could it be a secret burial chamber? Or could it reveal an even bigger mystery about how the pyramids were built? The answer is still waiting to be discovered. The Great Pyramid of Giza is over 4,500 years old, and it still holds secrets that modern science cannot explain. Which of these facts shocked you the most? Tell me in the comments below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to Ancient Facts Vault and hit the bell so you never miss a secret. See you in the next one.